Yo, what's up, everyone? Today I'm doing the hotel room tour in the Russell Hotel that I'm staying at. It's pretty nice. Yeah, I still had to start at the door because it's all mostly in one room, so nice automated lock. And then here you got this cool thing. It's like the opening of the roof. It's like a, yeah, it's like a window, but it's on the roof, which I think is pretty cool. Yeah, it opens and closes, which is nice. And yeah, so here, show you around a little bit. Here's the TV, which is just standard TV. It's got a lot of channels and stuff, which is nice. And also, I like that they put in this like Dyson air vac over here. I'm trying not to slant the video too much because it's super annoying to watch. So yeah, yeah, that's the Dyson air vac, which is pretty nice because it can get kind of hot around here in Nashville sometimes. So moving over here, you got it's a nice place to set a computer down. What I'm doing, there's timer, basic stuff, and Wi-Fi password, which I appreciate. They actually just tell you instead of just like telling you once and you completely forget. Then they got some storage and a safe you need to put stuff in. And, oh, and then here are the beds. Also, there's a face reveal. I'm not gonna make a face reveal video probably, but here I am. So yeah. And then here's the beds, which are pretty cool, pretty big, and they're comfortable, and they got chargers and stuff, which I can appreciate, and they got lights and everything. It's pretty cool. So here's this sliding door. Don't need to slide it all the way, but you do have to lock it with this because it will just it won't actually shut if I don't put the lock in over here. So yeah, here's the shower. It's pretty nice. Standard shower, and the water pressure's a little weak, but I'm on the third floor here. Also, this is like, I can't remember if I already said this, but it was like the it's like this used to be a church, but they changed it and like remodeled it into a hotel, which is actually pretty cool. And I think like these wood pillars and beams still have use, even though they might look useless. I think they still actually hold stuff. But yeah, it's kind of cool. I like that the shower kind of slants in, which I think is kind of interesting. And here's the, you know, you got double sink, whatever. Stuff's all pretty nice. And then here's the, you know, toilet, bathroom. The main problem is there's no fan in here, so it's kind of nasty sometimes, but I don't know why there's no fan, but, you know, whatever, it's fine. Yeah, it's mainly just a hotel room. It's not super big, but it fits everything you could need in it. I like it in here. It's pretty nice. You know, yeah, I should be able to include some of our stuff from the rest of the hotel, like outside, and there's also like a luggage lift and stuff, which I thought was kind of cool. Should be in this video, and yeah, I should see you in the next part of this video. Yeah, stay tuned.